Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and in this video I want to show you an example of what I think is a very interesting startup that is proving to be very successful, and I want to have a conversation with you on the reasons why I think it's successful. So the company is called Bohana, and the product that they make is these Bohana popped water lily seeds. So for those of you who don't know, like me, water lily seeds are seeds from the water lily, which is this plant. It's a water plant. And I had no idea that maybe I had seen it, but I definitely had no idea that the seeds were edible and that they could be popped. So why is this product so successful? They give all the information on their website why they think their product is noteworthy, and indeed these are the same reasons why I think this product makes a lot of sense. First of all, it's a healthy snack. It's just simply a seed that has been popped, and apparently there's nothing else really added. It is an exotic and unusual ingredient because I guess for Westerners people, but for people in Europe and the Americas, this is a new ingredient and definitely therefore exotic. So we already have that sense of surprise that we always want to try and trigger in people. But at the same time, it is also traditional because popped water lily seeds are also known as makhana and have been consumed in India for thousands of years. So at the same time, we have these beautiful things of this company trying to showcase something that is traditional in a country. And people love what is traditional. People love what is exotic and new and surprising. At the same time, they love to know that they're getting to know part of a culture. In that sense, people love traditional food. Then the product is aimed at social sustainability. They say our popped water seeds are grown in a farm in Bihar, India. They focus on the relationship with their farmers, commitment to fair wages, ethical and sustainable harvesting, and fully collaborative supply chain. This is beautiful. This is exactly what we all should be doing. And my hope is that as this company grows and as the demands for their product increase, their interest in putting sustainable, social sustainability first remains, because, sometimes money get into people's head and then things go sideways. But I'm seeing a lot of change in how people think, and I find it is beautiful. And you can find this type of sensitivity more and more in startups where there are usually lots of young people. Then there is possibly an interest in environmental sustainability also, because they say that the cultivation of lily seed doesn't destroy the ecosystem. The whole cycle is sustainable, seasonal, and naturally occurring. And this is exactly another thing that I hope will be maintained as the company grows and as the demand of these seeds will grow. Finally, so we said a few things. So this product is successful because it's a healthy snack. This is, of course, health is a trend. It shouldn't be a trend, but with market language, we can call it a trend. So it's definitely something that is worth following for people creating new products and new services. It's exotic and traditional at the same time. It focuses on social sustainability and environmental sustainability. And if this wasn't enough to make a product successful, I think there is another reason which really brings everything together, and that is spirituality or mind-body relationship. So as they say in their website, popped water lily seeds have been an Ayurvedic superfood for centuries. Ayurveda is a holistic mind-body life science that believes that every individual is unique and no one lifestyle works for everyone. The foundation is based on listening to your body and doing what works for you. Water lily seeds are one of the most prescribed seeds in Ayurveda because of their alkaline character, making them beneficial for all body types. And that is this. This is the reason why I think that this product makes a lot of sense, and it seems like it has been well designed. It has had a well-rounded thinking around it. There are in fact 6 reasons why this product is successful. And in other words, this product follows 6 different trends, all in one product. I hope you like this video, and I would be interested in hearing what you think. Let me know in the comments below. What do you think about this product? What do you think about its future? And what are other products similar to this that you think are also successful because they are designed following different principles and different trends? As always, thank you for watching this video. Have a lovely day and happy food design.